My name is Gordon. I'm not a doctor, but I am, in a past life, was a medical scientist, and I am a diver. So some of you may have experienced ear infections at some point during your diving career, and this is not a very good thing to happen, especially if you've travelled to some exotic place like Raja Ampat and you're on a liveaboard for a week with no medical assistance. In order to avoid this, I use a mixture of alcohol and vinegar in a specific proportion. Generally, I don't want to make it too acidic, so the vinegar proportion is about 20% and the alcohol 80%. After I've been diving, I take a shower at night, clean my ears with water, and then I dry them out with tissue. But I also have a little device called Max Air Dryer, and I use this to put in my ear for a couple of minutes. There's some hot air blows out into my ear, and then change to the opposite ear and make sure my ears are perfectly dry. After this, I apply my magic potion, 5 minutes in each ear, and then dry it out with tissue afterwards. This makes a proactive approach to avoiding ear infections, which can prove to be expensive if you've spent a fortune on airfares and dive trips, and avoid any possible further problems such as perforated eardrums. And that is my proactive way of preventing ear infections.